What is up, guys? This is the FNH tutorial here, and today I am back with another product review. And as you can see, or you guys read by the title, this is another Fifine product review. I've made a couple in the past. I love their products, so I decided why not make another video of another one of their products. Okay, and you guys seem to like it also, so yeah, here we are with their other product you guys probably seen online while searching for I guess one of the other products that we reviewed, for example the Lavalier mic or the other microphone, right? So this is not exactly per se a mic, this is more than that, right? And I will show you guys in a second. So as you can see, the box is a lot bigger, right, than the typical reviews that I have, right, of just one product. And not only that, it's brown, the box. The other boxes usually have a smooth white color. This one is brown. And yeah, so here I guess that's just an intro of how you can tell something different is coming up. Okay, so let me just open it up. So now here is the user guide, right? You can see it's the K038 user guide. And what is this? You can see 2 lavalier mics, 2 receivers, 2 lapel mics, 2 headsets I should say, and then 2 lavalier and lapel mics, and then we have this thing over here, right? So let me just, I'll explain that in a second. So this is just another one of their things, so it just says the fifinemic.com. Okay, I'll put that to the side. Alright, so you can see there are 2 receivers right in front, right, on off, the same receiver you guys seen in my other videos of receiving for the wireless mics, right? You can see you can easily buckle it on your belt or anywhere on your pants, right? 2 receivers right there. Let's see what's under that. Okay, and here is our receiver, our dual channel receiver. Okay, so that's how you set the antennas. And basically what this is basically if you guys are hosting an event, whether it be a wedding or it doesn't even have to be an event, it can be for any place, for example a church or at school presentations, or basically anywhere where you want to give a presentation or a seminar. This allows you to connect the wireless mics, right, and connect it to an out to a speaker basically. Okay, so meaning that you can have 2 wireless microphones, so basically 2 people speaking on it, right, and it will be hooked up to a speaker. So let's say, if, for example, a typical use of this would be if you are interviewing someone, right, and you have an audience. Each the interviewer and the interviewee can each have a microphone attached to them, a wireless microphone, and then you can have this attached to a speaker so that so everyone else can hear. So it's a really simple setup, and what I love about this is that it has separation of volumes. So each mic, you can adjust the volume for each microphone. For example, if you want to make the presenter's volume a lot louder than the guest's volume, then you could do that from here, right? So basically you can control everything from here. It's really simple, really useful, yeah, and it's really worth it. Okay, so let's just check out what the rest of the box includes. Okay, so here you can see that it comes with 4 batteries, right? So I'm assuming 2 batteries for each of these. Each wireless receiver gets 2 batteries. And then here is the power adapter, right, for I'm assuming this, the receiver. And here are the speaker wires. So basically you can hook up the speaker, right? So this is an aux cable to the speaker, and then here are those big speaker wires you can connect from the transmitter/receiver to the actual speaker. and this is just a regular double-ended aux cable. So I'll put those back in the box. Just make sure it's clean and tidy. Okay, I'll put that on the side. Alright, and let me open this last thing. Feels pretty light, but I'm assuming it's the actual microphones. So yeah, you can see that it comes with 4 microphones. Okay, 2 Lavalier / Lapel mics, right? Wireless for those mics, and then 2 headset mics. So whichever one you feel comfortable with, you can use, right? It gives you the option to use any one of these, right? So which is really nice, and I really like this. It works great. I tried it. It works great. And if you guys have any questions about this, feel free to leave it down below, and I will love to help you guys if you guys have any questions about this. And another thing is, I got this from Amazon for, I believe, less than $90. I believe it was like $85, $86 around there. But if you look at any other places with microphones like this, right? So, well, not only microphones, but basically the whole transmitter and receiver, it'll go up to, well, it'll go way up a couple $100. And not only that, you wouldn't get the 2 wireless microphones that this includes, right? Well, I should say 4 wireless microphones, right? So I really think this is really nice. It's pretty cheap for the price. Well, it's really cheap for the price. As you can see, they always make cheaper priced products, right? But the quality is still really good, as you can see from the other mic reviews that I've done. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, please leave it down below, and make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.